Welcome to our YouTube channel, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about responsible AI. Bias in machine learning refers to systematic errors in algorithms. These errors can lead to unfair outcomes affecting underrepresented groups. A hiring algorithm trained on biased data may perpetuate those biases. Facial recognition systems often show biases based on race and gender. Biases arise from data, algorithm design, and societal context. Addressing these biases is a social and ethical imperative. Detecting bias in machine learning models requires a multifaceted approach. Various tools and techniques can help uncover hidden biases. One such tool is the What If tool, developed by Google. This interactive tool allows users to explore how different input variables affect model predictions. Statistical tests also play a vital role in bias detection. Chi-square tests can be used to assess whether certain features are disproportionately represented in different groups. ANOVA and Z-tests can compare the means of different groups to identify disparities. Outlier analysis can help identify data points that deviate significantly from the norm, potentially indicating bias. By using a combination of these tools and techniques, developers can gain a deeper understanding of how their models behave across different demographics. This understanding is crucial for identifying and addressing potential biases. Early detection of bias is essential to prevent unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Data bias from skewed datasets impacts model fairness. Data augmentation helps address underrepresentation. Resampling balances datasets by adjusting group sizes. Collecting diverse data is crucial for representation. Fair representation is key to equitable AI systems. Mitigating model bias by refining algorithms for equity. Mitigating model bias involves refining the algorithms themselves to promote fairness. Bias-aware algorithms are specifically designed to account for potential biases during training. Fine-tuning decision boundaries can help reduce disparities in model predictions across different groups. Adjusting the model's loss function, such as minimizing disparate impact, can further improve fairness. Techniques like constrained label propagation and min-diff penalize prediction errors from imbalances in sensitive attributes. These techniques aim to reduce disparities in model performance across different demographics. By incorporating these techniques, developers can create models that are more robust to bias. This helps ensure that AI systems are used ethically and responsibly. Addressing model bias requires a deep understanding of the algorithms and their potential impact on different communities. Rigorous testing and validation to ensure continued fairness. Continuous testing and validation are crucial for ensuring model fairness over time. Appropriate evaluation metrics such as precision, recall, and F1 score provide insights into model performance across different groups. Cross-validation helps estimate generalization performance and identify potential biases. Regularly evaluating model performance on diverse datasets is essential to catch any emerging biases. This ongoing monitoring helps ensure that the model remains fair and accurate as the data or environment changes. Interpreting test results and identifying potential bias requires careful analysis and attention to detail. By incorporating rigorous testing and validation into the development lifecycle, developers can maintain the fairness and reliability of their AI systems. This commitment to continuous improvement is crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible AI deployment. Ethical implications and the path forward. The ethical implications of biased AI are profound. Negative publicity, business losses, and legal challenges are just some of the potential consequences. Ongoing monitoring and collaboration among stakeholders, including data scientists, developers, and policymakers, are essential for ensuring ethical AI development. Addressing bias in AI is not a one-time fix, but a continuous process. It requires a commitment to fairness, transparency, and accountability. By working together, we can create AI systems that benefit all members of society. Education and awareness are crucial for fostering a culture of responsible AI development. The future of AI depends on our ability to address bias effectively. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can unlock the full potential of AI while mitigating its risks. This requires a collective effort from all stakeholders to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting, so don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready? to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.